Today I am showing you how can you use Google Map data. So what we have to do first you have to select one column, that is state, another column is cells. You have to mention state, otherwise we cannot open Google Map data or map data. So what I have to do, first I have to select full table, then go to the insert button, then recommended chart. See, you found it that fill map, press OK. And now what you have to do, you have to small it. You just have to click end, delete, delete this, and now small this. See, you can easily now select it, see it which you have, that is automatically. Thank you so much.